Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be discussing how to get into options trades. I'm going to show you which apps to utilize, the best methods with those certain apps, and how to use certain strategies, how to look at the candles, how to look at the charts. You want to do all those different things when you're doing options trading.
What them cars at? Hey, what that crypto? What them cars at? Hey, what that crypto? Hey, we outside, we gon' slide. 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 What them cars?
Let's get right into it, everybody. This is the first broker I would recommend is TD Ameritrade. Out of all the three that I'm going to recommend, this is definitely the best one. It has amazing charts and it's something you definitely want to utilize when it comes to doing your trades. Okay, so this is TD Ameritrade, everybody. Okay, it is one of the best, if not the best platform. Then we have Webull. Webull is more of a, once you get to the beginner level, you want to get a little more advanced, you want to utilize Webull. It has a great platform, and everybody knows this beginner platform, which is Robinhood. Yes, it has its issues, but it is definitely very user friendly. And here's a gem. What you want to utilize is get some crypto with your Robinhood, make some profit, sell it the next day, use that free crypto to cash. Now you have something extra to use for your options trades. Options trading is when you buy contracts versus stocks, is when you utilize doing calls and puts, basically betting up or down within the market. Okay, so you can bet with the market or against the market, and you're going to be buying contracts, not buying shares. Okay, so once again, that is what option trading is. You're going to be betting up or down with the market. When you get to certain contracts, you're going to see something that's called in the money, at the money, or out the money. This is a breakdown of what in the money, at the money, and out the money is. Okay, it is very important to utilize that to know how much you're going to spend on your contracts, and it's very important to pay attention to the expiration date. Okay, that is very important because of time decay, the value of your contract can go down if it's not going up the way you think. Okay, and when you get into any trade, you want to make sure you know if you're going to do a day trade or a swing trade. A day trade is when you buy it in that day and you sell it in that day, and the swing trade is when you buy it one day and sell it the next day. Another important thing to look for your contract is delta, gamma, theta, vega. That is the Greeks. Okay, all this information is what you're going to utilize for your contracts. Next, you want to look into the BDT pattern day trader rule. If you have over 25K, you can do day trades unlimited. If you don't, you'll be limited to 3 trades per trading week for 5 days. Okay, so make sure you know that. Okay, another thing to watch out for when you get into your options trades, watch out for earnings. Okay, earnings reports report quarterly, and no matter how good a stock is doing, earnings can kill your contracts because of failed earnings or even good earnings, but don't go as well as they think. Okay, now you want to make sure you're looking into TradingView and Thinkorswim. These two are very vital, very important when it comes to doing your trades as an investor. If I knew what I know now, I would always start with the charts. You're going to learn that first before you get into any trade. Then you want to utilize your indicators. Okay, your RSI, you want to know what's overbought, oversold. Anything under 30 is undersold. Anything over 70 is overbought. And then I will look into the MACD. Okay, the MACD is very important. It crosses over, you know it's going to be bullish or bearish. Then I'm going to get into my EMAs. Okay, my moving averages. We usually utilize the 20-day, 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving average. But some people use different moving averages, and once you get familiar with your indicators, it'll be much easier to look at your charts, see what you need to see on your charts, and get into proper entries and getting out of your trades. Next, you want to learn about the chart patterns and the candles. You're going to learn the setups. You're going to learn about the flags. You're going to learn about all those type of things before you get into any trades. It is very important to learn about these candles, the patterns, the setups, the trends. All this information is very important before you get into any trade. Now, if I was to trade I am today and I just got back into options trading, I would always make sure I'm looking at my charts while I'm doing every single trade, and before I do every single trade, to make sure I have high probability trades and I'm doing smart trading, not doing risky lottery type investing. I would also try to learn how to build my watch list and look at different sectors before I get into any trade. So if I want to look at an energy company, a marijuana company, a utility company, a healthcare company, an electric vehicle company, I would look at the different sectors on different platforms and utilize these screeners that I'm about to tell you about to make sure I'm looking at the right spot for my trades and I'm getting a bunch of information for my trades before I enter any single trade. Now, the first screener I'm going to tell you about is Finviz. Finviz is a very useful tool. If you don't know how to mark up your own charts, it's kind of going to have those charts marked up for you, okay? Then you want to look at Flow Algo. This is a very useful tool to know when you get golden crosses and certain things like that. You're going to see it there, the buyers and the sellers. You're going to see all that information there. Other platform you want to utilize is Market Chameleon. It's a very useful tool and has a lot of great positive information. You want to also utilize stock charts. All this information is about screeners, okay? You're going to utilize these screeners to help build your watch list and pre-market watch list, so you know what kind of stocks you want to lean towards and how to find those stocks that are going to pop. And you want to make sure you always utilize the news to confirm your charts and your stocks that you're going to utilize, because there's maybe some news that come out about why everybody's picking this and why is everybody talking about it. Because why is the stock doing well? What news just happened? What is new about this? What updates? What price target is happening? You're going to learn all this information with those screeners and the news in the current market. So as you've seen, you're going to use Yahoo Finance, Seeking Alpha, Investing.com, Market Watch, Tip Ranks, and StockTwits. These are all platforms that I utilize to get updated news in the market. And please, please, please do not forget about Twitter. It is a hidden gem when it comes to option trading. Well, thank you for your time, everybody. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like this content, please leave a comment so I can see what I can add to it and give you some more information. Please, thank you for watching. And don't forget, you want to join our Discord. The link is in the bio.